I drove by your house the other day. I promise it was not in a creepy way. I did it out of habit. I was looking for something to feel. I don't think it was that big of a deal. I drove by your house the other day, the same way I have the last 2 summers. I took the northern state to 347 and felt like heaven. I don't think it was that big of a deal.